Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your Instagram drafts that you saved and you want to delete but you can't figure out how. So open up your Instagram. Once you've done that, click create new post, and here head over to drafts. Here you can see you have your drafts, but to delete them just click on the little manage on the top right in the middle here. It's easy to miss. And here you can, you must hold on one to select it, but simply just click the little edit button right here, the top right, and if you mark them up, you'll be able to discard them. If I click here right now and it says discard two drafts, click discard, and there you go, all your drafts are now removed, at least mine. I could have left one, but just to show you. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. Like and subscribe if you did, and see you next time.